OnePlus 12 and Xiaomi 14. So let's compare these two models and find which one is best for you. So let's start with the display size. This Xiaomi 14 mobile comes with a 6.3 inches of tiny display, and it is a 120Hz refresh supported, HDR10 plus Dolby Vision supported OLED display, and it is a display which brightness can go up to 3000 nits peak. So it was protected by the Corning Gorilla Glass Victus. When we talk about this OnePlus 12, it comes with a huge 6.8 inches of AMOLED LTPO display, and it is also 120Hz refresh supported, Dolby Vision supported, HDR10 plus display, and this display is also goes up to 4500 nits of peak brightness, and it is also a display which was protected by the Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2. When we talk about this two mobiles core, that is processor, these two mobiles comes with the same Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, but these two mobiles are available in different storage variants. This OnePlus 12 mobile will be available in two variants. Those are 12GB RAM, 256GB internal storage, and also 16GB of RAM and 512GB internal storage variants, where this Xiaomi 14 mobile is only available in 12GB RAM, 512GB internal storage variant. These two mobile variants are available in Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 along with the LPDDR4, LPDDR5X RAM types, and along with the UFS 4.0 storage capacity. So we can expect killer performance with these two mobiles. And let's move on to the camera section. This is a section which we all want to know about the features. This OnePlus 12 mobile comes with a huge enormous camera setup at the back side. This comes with a triple cameras, where we can find a 50 megapixels of main wide angle camera with optical image stabilization, and also a 68 megapixels of periscopic zoom camera with optical image stabilization, and also it comes with a 48 megapixels of ultra wide angle camera, and we can shoot up to 8K 24 fps with this mobile's back camera. Where this Xiaomi mobile also comes with a triple cameras at the back side, where we can find a 50 megapixels of main wide angle camera and also a 50 megapixels of ultra wide angle camera with optical image stabilizations, and also another third 50 megapixels of camera that is also a telescopic zoom camera. Same, we can also shoot up to 8K 24 fps with this mobile's back camera. For the front, these two mobiles comes with the same 30 megapixels of front facing selfie cameras. And when we move on to the battery section, this is also a section where we have to keep a deep look. This Xiaomi 14 mobile comes with a smaller battery. Obviously this is a smaller mobile in terms of size. This has a 4610 milliamp hours of battery, which supports 100 watts of fast charge through wire, and 50 watts of fast wireless charge, and also it supports 10 watts of reverse wireless charge. Where this OnePlus 12 mobile comes with a huge battery because it is a huge mobile, the 6.8 inch display. It comes with a 5400 milliamp hours of huge battery. It supports 80 watts of fast charge through wire, 50 watts of wireless charge, and also 10 watts of reverse wireless charge. And when we talk about the other features of this mobile, like operating system and everything, this Xiaomi 14 mobile runs on Android version 14 out of the box with the Xiaomi UI. But this OnePlus 12 mobile runs on Android 14 out of the box with the Oxygen OS 14. And these two mobiles comes with the same Wi-Fi 7 tri-band Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5.4 and NFC features. These two mobiles also comes with the in-display fingerprint scanners. When we talk about this mobile's build qualities, these two mobiles comes with the stainless steel and front back glass builds. And these two mobiles comes with the this comes with the IP54 water and dust, IP68 water and dust resistant. This mobile comes with the IP54 water and dust resistant certifications. And when we talk about these two mobiles colors, this mobile was available in two colors. I will list the colors in the description box down below with a buying link. You can directly go and hit the buying link. You can buy it from there. This mobile is available in three colors. I will also give a link to this mobile with the colors in the description box down below. You can directly buy it from there. And when we talk about these two mobiles price ranges, these two mobiles comes with the same price range, that is 69,999 rupees, almost 70,000 rupees, because these are the flagship mobiles. So in my opinion, if you want a cute tiny little mobile with better performance and like a flagship performance, you can choose this Xiaomi 14. But if you want a huge display mobile and a huge battery mobile, you can choose this OnePlus 12 mobile, because everybody has their own opinion, so you can choose accordingly. But these two mobiles has the same I mean, in the range, these two mobiles are the same price ranges. And these two mobiles also comes with the features like no 3.5mm jack and stereo speakers, and also better build quality. So these are the features of these two mobiles. So let me know in the comment section down below what you feel about this mobile and these two mobiles, and what do you feel about my video editing skills. If I need to do any changes, do let me know in the comment section down below. And also let me know in the comment section that which video do you want to see on my channel next. So this is all for the video. And by the way, if you like this video, hit the like button and also hit the subscribe button down. So thanks for watching.